Guys, in this video we will be learning what is super function in Python. The super function is used to refer to the parent class or super class. It allows you to call methods defined in the super class from the subclass, enabling you to extend and customize the functionality inherited from the parent class. However, it returns a proxy object which represents the parent's class. It means you can access the parent class methods into the derived class. Now let's see how we can implement this super function with the help of inheritance. Okay, so we are going to create one new class, parent class. This time we are going to take different example with college and students, right? We are going to define one constructor wherein we are going to get the input of the college name, right? We can say self dot college. We are going to create new function in this class get college details. Okay, just print a simple message. Okay, college name. Another class we have to create student. We have to inherit college. We are going to define one constructor for this class that would take two input parameter, that would be college name and student name. Here we have to set the college name equals to college name self dot student name. Okay, now the important thing we have to see here, to call the super function we have to use keyword super, then to call its constructor, right? This super method or function belongs to the parent class. Okay, after the dot we are calling the constructor of the parent class or super class. This constructor we are going to call. Okay, so this constructor is expecting the college name, right? So the college name will be passing from here. This is one thing. Now the next step, we have to create a function to get the student detail. Here one more thing you will see, we have to get the information of college along with the student details. Okay, so again we have to call super function and then we have to use the parent class function, that is get college details. That can be called easily like this. Okay, another message we have to print for student detail, that would be the student name. Now we have to create a instance of this student class c equals to student. We have to pass two parameters in the student class. First is the college name. The second parameter we have to pass, that would be the student name. So we can pass the Harry Kumar. This is my friend name. Okay, then we have to call the function of child class, that is get student details. So as soon as we call this method get student details, so the parent class function get college details will be called together, right? Let's run the program then. You see the output. So the college name is the Sapna College of Engineering. The student name is Harry Kumar. Passing the information from drive to the parent class very easy with the help of super function. This is the power of super function in Python.
That brings us to the end of today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.